Hey, this is Lorna and I wanted to do a video for you. This is Quilters Life 4. Hopefully it's 4 because I'll look stupid if it's not because I'll have to put a number right there. But anyway, in this video I wanted to share with you, what the quilt, the restored quilt looks like completely finished. It came out beautiful, by the way. I wanted to share how I embroidered the alphabet on it, and also too, I did some filming in here while I was doing some work for some clients. I kind of wanted to show you what it looks like, the process, what I'm doing when I'm working, what goes on in here, and the noise pollution from the embroidery machines. So I have some clips of that. Also too, I have a clip on January's quilt top. Yeah, I have a clip on that. I've been working on a border, and I will download a PDF on Lorena's Quilting Facebook group if you're interested in the PDF. I was working on the border. I'm doing a test border to see if I like it. I think I like it. I had some problems putting it together, so I think I'm going to do a video on it in March, hopefully, if you want to see it, okay? Also, to remember that the Doodle Challenge 1 is going to end March 15th. That's my birthday, people, and I want to bless somebody on my birthday for participating in the challenge. So if you want to join the challenge, I would love to see some of your pictures of your doodles and some of your pictures of either long arming or doing it on a sewing machine. I just need one of it done on fabric, all right? I'm also going to start a new challenge, the Doodle 2 challenge, and I would like to reinforce challenge number 1 and add it to challenge number 2. So I really do hope that you like this video. Also too, I did a design for February quilt top, and it came out so pretty, but coughing up a lung and everything and wasting 10 days of my life. I was trying to survive the sickness. I've been trying to catch up and go to groceries and clean my house and do laundry and stuff like that. And so I would like to do a quilt top this month again, like I did in January. So I think I'm going to post both pictures and ask you guys to see which one you like. And then I'm going to start piecing it. One only has 1 block and one quilt top has 2 blocks. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So I really do appreciate you. I do thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the living. All right, bye. Bye. All right, so I'm getting ready to start quilting on that restoration quilt. I'm going to go ahead and use it's a 100 by 100 millimeter hoop. It's a smaller hoop, and I use 2 layers of tearaway. And I may not be able to find the exact font, but I'm gonna try to kind of just replicate the simplicity of it if I possibly can. And then I'm going to mark where the lettering should be. It was 1 inch away. This is the water. Well, this dissolves in there. Doesn't have to be perfect, but this is kind of like the general vicinity. And then I'm going to embroider a letter A. Alright, so here's my letter. And it looks like this. Pulled. This is why I like tearaway. And then it just pulls off and there's no shadowing. I measure an original, and I count my squares on my machine. So it's 3 over and 4 up, maybe a little bit more. So I try to do my letter A 3 over and 4 up. I want you to see the quilt with the embroidery on it. I want you to see how beautiful this stitch looks. I also wanted to show you this quilt. Do you see how this quilt is heavily kind of paisley and flowy? So, here's another one. See the whole quilt in its glory. And then in the back, honestly, your clients tell you what they love. They tell you, because I feel that I piece with fabric I love, personally. Look at this back fabric. It's swirly. The focal fabric is this one. I chose this paisley design. Do you see how beautiful those paisleys are for this quilt? Your clients always tell you what they love. They just, because sometimes it's by the things that you pick. So she had to love this fabric to pick it, to buy it. And I'm just sharing with you, I find the long arm quilting designs or pantos based on kind of like what the fabric says to me, and really it's what the client says to you. So then I'm going to focus in. Do you see that beautiful paisley right here? And the feather. And it kind of goes with these fabrics. I have a hat fast frame. Comes with this fast frame, and I use this sticky stabilizer. The truth is, if you have an embroidery machine, all you need is a cutaway, a tearaway, and a sticky stabilizer, and a water soluble. They try to sell you a whole bunch of weird stabilizers, but the truth is, to do any type of work, all you need to do is just have those four. And you can buy them really cheap on Amazon or online. My favorite place is All Stitch, but it's a sticky stabilizer that you tear and it sticks. It's a frame like this one. This one usually I do numbers, and you see that I have numbers on the hat here. And I'll show you what it looks like on the machine and how loud it is in my house when you're doing embroidery work. This is what the frame looks like. Hopefully I could get, it's called the fast frame. And I have the hat clipped here. And usually I have it clipped here, but the hat is too far down. And I let the machine do its job. This is what it looks like on my embroidery machine. I know it looks backwards because that's what it looks like when it's one letter's done, but it's going to be whole name. That's what the hat looks like when the name is embroidered. I still need to clean the threads up and stuff, but yeah. I will download the PDFs to Lorena's Quilting Facebook group if you guys are interested in the pattern for the border. So here's the template cut out, and that's the printable, and it goes for the dark and the light colors. So this is the triangle template. Here's the cutout, and that's the printed, and I just cut out the printed paper. So here's the template, and here's the fabric. For each side of the border, I have 5 of them, I believe. I put together border looks like. This is kind of like what I'm thinking of doing. In the design, I wanted to add an inch. It's a 2-inch strip. I believe it comes out to 1.5 inches, I think. And the reason I decided on that is because I want to be able to control the waviness with a border, because I don't know how if it'll wave on me. And this is what it could look like. Tell me if you like it. Should I add, because I'm really just doing this to test it, to see if I like how it sews, how the pattern comes together. Should I add a little bit of this beautiful red to it? I don't know. Thank you for watching. Yeah, it's hopefully March is going to be a great March. Hopefully in March will be like my January. I get a lot of stuff done and I feel so accomplished, and I'm like patting myself on the back because everything went good. Because February, I just don't want to talk about February. Well, I got to rest a lot, so hopefully I have the energy this month for all the rest that I got in February. I really do thank you for watching, and please subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Sooner than later, okay? Bye.